When I first received this project, the first thing I did is I envisioned what I needed to actually machine this. That was the first step that I actually did. I opened up the part itself, the model that the customer sent over. From there, I envisioned how it would fit on one of our machines. Once I got all my programs passed, the next step was to actually go down to a machine. Without putting the actual part on the machine, I dry run some of the parts, some of the programs. This is a 36 Porsche nose. We're using that as far as that's old technology, and then machining it with a new machine. You know, a new 5-axis CNC router, new Fagor controller, a new hit-take-go head that we use. Once I've tested my paths, then I was able to actually set the mold on the machine, find the set zero according to the model, align the part to the machine, ensure, and then at that point I was able to actually run the parts. The thing I'm more excited about this, other than seeing the finished product, is allowing our employees to see what our machines can do out there. The most rewarding thing out of here is allowing our employees to see what our machines are capable of machining. That's what I would say.